So the error came with respect to, so here I can able to set the values. I can able to set the values. The error came earlier because of I have not made the constructor as a public. So make the constructor as a public, right? Make the constructor as a public. Then once I make the constructor as a public, don't forget to recompile your code. So I have recompiled your code. I have here recompiled my code, and I have restarted my server. Or either you can restart. Look at here. The shouldn't be inside the constructor is called automatically. Okay, and otherwise you can reload the application or you can restart your the server. Reload the application from your web server Tomcat or restart the server. I did the same task. So in this case, when I refresh, set the values. Similarly, I can able to get the. I should be able to get the values. So here is what get values. So I think let me check what are the changes I made. Yes, I added this line, one more line. I added this line. Earlier I was getting the error uh, due to this student bin. I did not made public. Now I made. I recompile. I restarted, and in get bin in get values method. Sorry, in get values.jsp program. Uh, I did not added JSP colon use bin. I should add it because this names attribute values. STP is coming from this ID. However, I use the same in set values, but I forgot to add in a get values. So here I added JSP colon use bin ID class p1 dot student bin with fully qualified name. And what is the scope I have mentioned here? Same scope I called into the get values. Okay, and self close or you can use separately close. Both works. So save. I forgot to save. Save now. Just refresh. Where so this one refresh it. So I am from servlet, not set values, Baba. I am from get values. Okay, I am from get values. Refresh. So here I am from get values.jsp of 19 JSP useBean application. So what are the values you have set from there? You can get it from here. So here I did directly, means without form page, without form page. So I'll give the task convert the same raw application to where form page will set the values to form page will give the request to set value.jsp. Set values will set the values into session scope or application scope. Okay, and get values will return all the values from that session scope and application scope. Can you able to do? Can you able to do? Yes or no? Huh? Tomorrow I want to see the application source code with execution in your laptop. Everyone's laptop. Will you? Okay, fine. So just test the application. First call set values. Uh, where is my? Here. First call set values, then call get values. Kindly do these two corrections. Have made the correction. Get values.jsp and let me add here control C control. Let me copy and let me keep here. Get value.jsp and here is what? Here is my set values.jsp. Okay. So just I forgot to add here this line, and here my constructor should be what? Constructor should be public. Okay, fine. Make these two corrections and test your web application. So start the server and test the web application with following URLs. Okay, guys, fine. So just all of you put your attendance in JSP. Yes, in JSP. Come here. put that in. Okay, fine. Thank you. Tomorrow we shall see about more applications on. Okay, today we completed JSP useBean. Tomorrow we shall see some difference between Java beans and AJB, and I'll start with the two mini projects. Okay, without MVC, with MVC. Fine.